Based on chemical equilibrium. So these problems, number one, SO3 gas on being dissociated will give you SO2 plus half oxygen. So K is here 0.15, this is equilibrium constant, so at 900 Kelvin. So calculate the K dash for 2SO2 gas O2 plus 2SO3. So this is just the reverse equation. So for reverse, the formula of K dash is, so this is for 1. So new K dash for reversing. So this will be nothing but the Kc whole square. Why square is there? Because this is, you can see 2 is there. Here more a coefficient is 2, and here there is no coefficient in this side. So half, and this is the 1. So for this squaring this one molar constant. So we have to squaring over here. This is 2, that's why we are taking 2. If this will be your half, we can write it square root. So Kc is already given 0.15, so we can put here 0.15, and this is square. So answer will be your 44.44. So per mole, and this is your per liter. So these are our answers. Now for second question. So at temperature T, a compound AB2 dissociates according to the reaction. So this is the reaction to dissociate 2AB plus B2 with a degree of dissociation x, which is small compared to unity. Deduce the expression x in terms of the Kp and total pressure. So we have to write this equation first properly. So this is your 2AB, and this is gas. So on dissociation, this is giving you 2AB plus B2. So all these are in gas. So all these are in gas. So initial moles will be how much? So initial moles will be your 1, this will be your 0 0, and your at equilibrium moles at equilibrium moles will be your this will be your x. Suppose x is, if you are taking 1 mole, this will be x, this will be your x upon 2, and this will be your 1 minus x. So total moles at equilibrium will be how much? So this is 1 minus x plus x by 2. Okay, so this will be total 1 plus x upon 2, this will be cancelled. Okay, now we can write a formula of Kp. So Kp is there. So Kp, partial pressure x is given. So x into x by 2. So this x is, this square is there. You can put a square over here and divide by 1 minus x whole square, because this is your square. And partial pressure P, total pressure is, this is total pressure, and divide by 1 plus x by 2. This is the total mole. So this is the formula. And difference of mole. So difference of mole is 2 plus 1 3 minus 2. So this is the mole. So on solving, so we'll get here. Now here we have to see 1 minus x and 1 plus x2. So 1 minus x is very very small. This is equal to 1. This is very small. And second is 1 plus x by 2. So this is also small. So both the small, so we can neglect this one. So on solving, we can get here Kp is equal to x cube by p upon 2. So we see that x is equal to square root of 2 into Kp by p. This is so this is our answer. So again, Kc for this gas, that is A to B, is 1.1. So which gas has a molar concentration greater than? So in this we have to compare which gas has a molar concentration greater than 1. So again, so for third question, so see here, so A is the gas, so it is coming to B gas. So Kc will be how much? So Kc will be concentration of B by concentration A, that is 1.1. So this implies that definitely B is greater than concentration of A. Why? This is 1.1. So definitely this is smaller. Now if we can say case which is greater, so here we can see if B is equal to 1, so A will be how much? So A will be, on solving we will get here 9.1. Now case 1 you can take 0.91. This one 0.91 is greater than what? A. So only B is greater than 1. So if you take case 2, so case 2 will be what? If A is greater than 1, then in this case we can see both A and B will be greater than 1. Okay, so answer here this one. In an equilibrium, A plus B, C plus D, so A plus B are mixed in a vessel at temperature T. The initial concentration of A was twice the initial concentration of B. So after the equilibrium has reached, the consider C was thrice the equilibrium concentration of B. Calculate Kc. So here we will solve this problem. So, okay, so this is your A plus B. It is giving you C plus D. Okay, so here initial concentration is how much? This is your 2A, this is your A, this will be your 0 plus 0. Okay, and at equilibrium, so at equilibrium will be, this is your x, this is your x, so this is your A minus x, this is your 2A minus x. Okay, so here, so we can say, so Kc will be how much? So Kc will be your x square divided by 2A minus x, and this is your A minus x. This is question number 1. Now given, what is given that? So given at equilibrium is, so given at equilibrium is concentration of C is equal to twice of concentration of B. So here we can write here x is equal to 3 into A minus x. So this implies that x is equal to 3 by 4A. So we got the value of A. Now we can put here this one here. So again x is equal to 3 by 4A in equation 1 we can put here. So Kc is equal, this is equation 1. So Kc is equal to 3 by 4 into A. So here you can put directly x, value of x over here. So 2A minus x is, we know that 3 by 4A. 3 by 4A, and this will be your A minus 3 by 4A. And this is equal to how much? So on solving A cancel. So we will get here value 1.8. So this Kc is 1.8. So this is our answer. So one more we yes. The equilibrium constant for the polymerization of formaldehyde to glucose in formaldehyde glucose in aqueous solution is 6 into 10 by 12. If 1 molar solution glucose was to reach the equilibrium according to formaldehyde, this is given. The case is given. Find out the concentration of formaldehyde in solution. So we write here. So write this one, C6H12O6. Okay, 6 into HCHO. So Kc will be reversed. This, if we are reversing the equation, this will be reversed. This becomes 6 into 10 power 22. Now initial mole is how much? So initial moles is, this is 1, this is 0. So definitely this will be your 6x at equilibrium. So at equilibrium will be 6x, and this will be your 1 minus x. Now Kc is how much? So Kc will be your 6x. Okay, whole square. So whole square. So why whole square? So this will be your, not whole square, this will be your 6. Okay. So this is your 6x whole to the power 1 minus 6x. So here you can see this is 6 into 10 power 22. Okay. Now 1 minus x is almost equal to 1. So Kc will be your very small. Since Kc is very small, okay, because 1 minus x 1. So we can write here 6x whole to the power 6 into, this will be solving 1.67 into 10 power minus 23. So this is our answer. So the case is given here over. So on solving this, we will get these answers. Now, so you can use here the log. So 6 into log 6x equal to, here you can take here log. So here log 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 23. So on solving this one, so we will get here using log. So we will get here x is equal to something like this value we are getting, minus 4 divided by 6. So here we will get 2.65 into 10 to the power minus 5 molarity. So here formaldehyde is nothing but the 6x is equal to 6 into 2.65 into 10 to the power minus 5. So this concentration of formaldehyde, so multiplied by 6, so we will get here answer 1.59 into 10 to the power minus 4 molarity. So this is our answer. Now Kc for A2 and AB2 is 2AB plus 100 degree centigrade is 50. So if 1 liter flask containing 1 mole of A2 and is connected with a 2 liter of flask containing 2 moles of B2, so how many moles of AB will be formed at 100 degree centigrade? So we see here, so A2 is gas plus B2 is gas. So here we will getting product 2AB, and this is in gas state. So, okay, so initial moles is how much here? So initial moles you can take here, this is 1, so this is your, they have given also if 1 liter flask of 1 mole, and this is your 2 liter flask of 2 moles. This is 2 mole, this is your 1 mole. So here this is 2, this will be 0. So final moles will be, so final moles will be here, this is your 2x, so 2 minus x, this is your 1 minus x. Okay, and here again 1. So at equilibrium, we will get here concentration of A2 is 1 minus x by 3, and concentration of B is equal to 2 minus x by 3, and concentration of AB is given here 2x by 3. So Kc we can solve it. Kc is nothing but concentration of AB whole square divided by, so here we can write here concentration of A2 and concentration of B2. So we can write here 4x whole square divided by, so 9 into, so why 9? Because this A2 is given here, so 1 minus x by 3 divided by, multiplied by 2 minus x upon 3. Okay, so B is given, A is given. So this is 3, so 3 into 3, 9. So we have to multiply by 9. How? So on solving, we will get here, and Kc is given 50. So we will solve. So on solving, we will get like 4x square divided by 2 minus 3x plus x square, and this is equal to 50. So again you can see here 4x square equal to 100 minus 150x plus 50x square, or we can see 46x square minus, so this will be your 50 by 46 square minus 150x plus 100 equal to 0. Now x equal to 0.93 and 2.326. So this is not valid because this is greater than 2. So because this is greater than 2, which is cancelled. So which is cancelled. Okay, so here which is greater than this, which is cancelled. So here it will be moles of AB will be here 2 into 0.93. Okay, so on solving we will get here 1.86. So this is our basically answers. So for a gaseous phase reaction, A plus AB 2AB equal to AB2, Kc is this much given at 200 centigrade, where 2 moles of B are mixed with 1 mole of A with what pressure? Total pressure required to convert 60% of A in AB2. So again we can write here A plus 2B is giving you AB2. Okay, so initial mole is how much? Initial mole will be your, so this is 1, this is 2, this will be 0, and moles at equilibrium, equilibrium will be how much? So this is your 1 minus x, this is your 2 minus x, and this is your x. So total moles at equilibrium will be, total moles at equilibrium will be how much? So this is, you can add it. So 1 minus x plus 2 minus x plus x. So here we will get here 3 minus 2x. So cancelling this and this. So 2 plus 1, 3 minus x. Now Kp is given because this is in gaseous state. So Kp is nothing but the AB2 concentration AB2 and divided by concentration AB, concentration BB, so multiplied by, here you can write P and delta, so n to the power delta n. So we can put value, so x is equal to, and divide by 1 minus x, here 1 minus, so 2 minus 2x, so we can write here 2 minus x, okay, and pressure is P, and this is equal 3 minus 2x, and here change in moles, so 1 minus 3. So on solving, we will get here, this is not x, this is 2x, this will be your 2x. On solving we will get here x into 3 minus 2x whole square. Okay, so this is whole square, and here we have to 2 square also, so this will be also a square. So x minus 3 minus 2 whole square, because this is a square, and this will be your 1 minus x, and this is your 2 minus 2x whole square into p square, this will be 2p square. So this is one equation, and now again second is that Kp is equal to Kc RT delta n. So this is second equation. So on solving this one, So we'll get here, you can put value 0.347 into, and here value is 0.0821 and temperature is 73, and this is, you know that this is your 1 minus 3, so minus 2. Okay, so on solve this is second equation. So if you equate it, this one, this and this, so this is both are equal, and here pressure is given. In this case we have so how much is given? 60% of A. Total pressure required is 60% of A. Okay, so here if you solve it, this case, so we'll get here, you can write here equating 1 and 2. Okay, so we'll get here, so 0.347 multiplied by 0.821 multiplied by 473 minus 2, and this is equal to nothing, but x is given here 0.6, so x is 0.6 here, it is given. So then delta n is equal to 2, it is given here, so 0.6 into, so 3 minus 1.2. okay, and this will be your p square into 1.06 into 2 minus 1.2 whole square. So we'll get here pressure 181.5 atmospheric pressure. This is our basically answers.